In criminal law, the outcome of a case depends largely on one crucial element: evidence. But what exactly is evidence? Evidence refers to the material placed before the court to prove or disprove the facts in a case. In simple terms, evidence is what helps the judge decide whether the accused is guilty or not guilty. In a criminal trial, the burden of proof lies on the prosecution. This means it is the responsibility of the prosecution to present sufficient evidence to prove the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Evidence can take different forms. It may include oral statements made by witnesses in court. It may include documents such as written records, contracts, or official papers. It may include physical objects like weapons, clothing, or seized materials. It may also include scientific or forensic materials such as fingerprints, DNA reports, or medical findings. The court does not rely on assumptions or suspicions. A conviction can only happen when the evidence presented is legally admissible and credible. Indian courts follow specific rules under the Indian Evidence Act regarding what can be accepted as evidence and how it must be proved. Not everything said or produced in court automatically becomes valid evidence. The judge must determine whether the evidence is relevant, reliable, and legally admissible. Evidence is examined during the trial through witness testimony and cross-examination. Both the prosecution and the defense get an opportunity to question and challenge the evidence. The purpose of evidence is to assist the court in discovering the truth while ensuring fairness to both sides. Understanding what evidence means in criminal law helps citizens appreciate how courts reach decisions based on proof rather than speculation. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.